Warren Buffett, a man who turned a few bucks into billions. Sounds like magic, right? But it's not. It's financial freedom. It's about making your money work for you, instead of you working for your money. And who better to guide us on this path than the Oracle of Omaha himself, Warren Buffett. Today we're going to outline 6 steps to achieving financial freedom, inspired by Buffett's own journey. So come aboard as we unravel the path of Warren Buffett. 6 steps to financial freedom. Imagine setting off on a journey without knowing your destination. Sounds absurd, right? That's why our first step is setting financial goals. Much like a roadmap, financial goals guide us, giving our financial decisions purpose and direction. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or planning for retirement, having clear, measurable financial goals is vital. Consider Warren Buffett, the man whose path we're exploring. At just 6 years old, Buffett bought 6 packs of Coca-Cola for 25 cents and sold each can for a nickel, making a 5-cent profit. This was his first taste of entrepreneurship, his initial financial goal. As he grew older, his goals evolved, becoming more ambitious, yet they remained clear and measurable. Your goals may not involve becoming a billionaire, and that's perfectly okay. They should, however, be specific, achievable, and tied to a timeline. Like Warren Buffett, start by setting your financial goals, know your destination before you begin the journey. In the financial journey, your budget is your roadmap, and savings, your fuel. Now, what does that mean? Well, a budget is a detailed plan of your income and expenses. It's like a financial GPS, guiding you through your spending habits, helping you avoid unnecessary expenses, and steering you towards your financial goals. It's a vital tool in managing your money and achieving financial freedom. But a budget alone isn't enough. You also need to save. It's no secret that Warren Buffett, one of the world's wealthiest individuals, is a big proponent of saving. His advice? Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. This principle ensures that you prioritize saving and treat it as a non-negotiable expense. By incorporating budgeting and saving into your financial strategy, you're setting a solid foundation for your journey towards financial freedom. Remember, a penny saved is a penny earned. Or in Buffett's case, a billion earned. Now that we've fueled up, it's time to hit the accelerator. Let's talk about investing. Investing is like planting a seed today to reap a bountiful harvest tomorrow. It's about making your money work for you, creating additional income streams, and accelerating your journey towards financial freedom. Now, let's delve into the wisdom of Warren Buffett, a maestro in the realm of investing. Buffett's strategies are famously simple yet profoundly effective. He advocates investing in businesses that are easy to understand, have a competitive advantage, and are managed by competent and honest people. He stresses the importance of patience and long-term commitment, often saying, "Our favorite holding period is forever." Buffett also underscores the significance of diversification, but cautions against mindless scattering of funds. His approach is measured and thoughtful, a balance between risk and reward. As Buffett says, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Invest wisely, my friends. What if you could earn money while you sleep? Welcome to the world of passive income. This is the money you earn with little to no daily effort, creating a stream of income that keeps rolling in even when you're not actively working. It's about making your money work for you, and it's a key part of achieving financial freedom. Now let's talk about Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha. How does he generate passive income? One key strategy is through dividends from his investments. He invests in stable, profitable companies that pay out regular dividends to their shareholders. These dividends are like a steady stream of income, flowing directly into his bank account, and he doesn't have to lift a finger. It's a beautiful concept, isn't it? Imagine having your own mini Warren Buffett-style income stream, a river of money that flows to you day and night. So, while you're dreaming of financial freedom, let your money work for you. Knowledge is power, and financial literacy is a superpower in the world of money. This couldn't be more true as we dive into step 5 of Warren Buffett's path to financial freedom, enhancing financial literacy. Just as a gardener continuously tends to their garden, nurturing financial literacy requires constant care and attention. It's about understanding the language of money, the principles of investing, and the intricacies of markets. Warren Buffett himself can often be found with a book in hand, always expanding his knowledge. He is a strong advocate for constant learning and recommends resources like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham and Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. Remember, financial literacy isn't a destination, it's a journey. It's about growing, evolving, and adapting to the ever-changing financial landscape. And as you do, you'll find yourself better equipped to make informed decisions and navigate the world of finance with confidence. As Buffett once said, the more you learn, the more you earn. Debt is like a hole in your wallet, draining your hard-earned money. Let's explore the sixth step on Warren Buffett's path to financial freedom: minimizing debts. Nothing hampers financial freedom quite like the weight of debt. It's an uphill battle, but one that's worth fighting. Start by identifying your debts, and then prioritize them. Aim to pay off high-interest debts first, as they have a more significant impact on your overall financial health. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha himself, champions avoiding unnecessary debt. He believes in the power of living within one's means and not borrowing money for inessential things. Buffett's advice underlines the importance of cultivating a disciplined approach to spending and borrowing. Debt reduction requires a blend of patience, discipline, and strategic planning. It might seem difficult at first, but remember, each step you take towards reducing your debt is a step closer to financial freedom. Remember, friends, it's not about how much money you earn, but how much you keep. We've journeyed through a path paved by Warren Buffett. Let's take a moment to look back. We started by setting clear, measurable financial goals, the very foundation of financial freedom. We then delved into the necessity of budgeting and saving, a key practice in Buffett's financial playbook. Our journey led us to the world of investing, a crucial step in building wealth, where we took a page out of Buffett's investment strategies. We also explored generating passive income, another pillar of financial freedom and a practice Buffett has mastered. Further down the path, we stressed the importance of enhancing our financial literacy, a lifelong learning process encouraged by Buffett himself. Our final step involves strategies to minimize debts, a crucial piece of advice from Buffett to avoid financial pitfalls. Now it's your turn to step onto the path of financial freedom. Enjoyed the journey? Ready to embark on your own? Don't forget to tap that like button. It's your way of telling us you appreciate the content. Share the wisdom with your friends and family. Remember, knowledge is the key to financial freedom. Hit subscribe and activate notifications so you won't miss our upcoming series. We'll be diving deeper into the world of finance, exploring investment strategies, passive income, and much more. Join us again as we explore more paths to financial success. Until then, keep investing, keep growing.